Hi Avik.
Hey, hi man.
Mr. Avik, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
You still look fresh, man. How?
मतलब क्या होता है? अब हाले दिल भी बताता है चेहरा टाइप्स।
आपकी एनर्जी का राज क्या है? क्या लेते हो?
दारू शुरू हो गई।
लेता हूँ।
हैदराबाद में दारू शुरू हो गई।
6 बजे के बाद रीसेट हो जाता है बॉडी एकदम से। अभी जस्ट कॉल खत्म हुआ मेरा 2 मिनट पहले।
हाँ क्या? Do you know in Maharashtra they have started giving home delivery?
हाँ, बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में दे रहे हैं।
Good यार. But जो wine shop वाला है, are they seriously giving it or just a circle?
नहीं यार, मैन पावर बहुत बढ़ानी पड़ेगी उनको। अगर उसका अच्छा खासा है, अगर रिनोन्ड है वो, तो मैन पावर तो बढ़ानी पड़ेगी।
चलो बेरोजगारी दूर होगी, मतलब मैन पावर बढ़ाएंगे।
अरे अपने ट्रेनर किधर है? वो एक्सरसाइज वगैरह लेते, वार्म अप लेते थोड़ा सा, वो किधर है?
आज मूड ही नहीं है, बहुत थका हूँ, पता नहीं मैं कितना कर पाऊँ। योगा सिखाओ बोलना आज। योगा मतलब शांति में क्रांति, शांति, आंखें बंद करो, भगवान को याद करो।
कपिल तो बोल रहा था
ऐसा भी कर लो।
कपिल बॉक्सिंग कराने का सोच रहा था, मैंने मना किया
उसको बोल कभी कभी दिमाग को ठंड करने के लिए योगा भी ले लो। ये तो कैलोरीज तो रोज बंद हो ही रही। अभी दिमाग का संतुलन जरूरी है।
संडे तुम्हारे जुम्बा चल रहा है ना, एकदम पूरा बॉडी को न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए है।
जुम्बा में तो अलग ही ट्रैक पे चलता है, वो कहीं और नाचते, मैं और कहीं और नाचता हूँ। मतलब कैलोरीज बर्न हो जाती है, बाकी ठीक है।
वीरू साहब नमस्कार।
वीरू आलित का
आवाज
वीरू साहब, हाउ मेनी केजीज यू लॉस्ट? अभी कितना केजी लॉस किया भाई तूने? 5 का 50 हो गया क्या?
5 ये लगता है।
अरे तेरे चेहरे से तो लग रहा है तू कुपोषित लग रहा है एकदम। मतलब ऐसा इतना, मतलब 1 महीने में एक्सपेक्ट नहीं था तेरे से।
space has come down actually.
हाँ, वो एकदम चाइल्डिश फेस हो गया, मतलब उसके बच्चे जैसा लग रहे हो।
पुणे जैसा फैसिलिटी
उधर शेषु को देखो, शेषु तो पहचान में भी नहीं आ रहा है।
अरे बाप रे, शेषु को तो डेंजर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है यार। 25 केजी लॉस किया उसने 9-10 महीने में।
पता नहीं फूरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म है, लाप्लास है, सारा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लग गया है।
पता नहीं सारा लगा दिया। अरे वो आईएफ के पीछे
सारे मिलके एक ही बार किए
है ना। ये तेरी शादी करनी है क्या शेषु? बच्चा लग रहा है तू।
कर लेते हैं और एक बार कर लेते हैं।
सही में अभी तेरे को वापस तू टेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में जाएगा, किसी को पूछेगा ना तो पूछेगा शिशु तू कौन है भाई, मैंने देखा नहीं तेरे को।
हाँ, टेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाले तो नहीं पहचान पाएंगे इसको।
हाँ, नहीं पहचान पाएंगे। एक बार दीपक से वीडियो कॉल ले, देख पहचानते क्या।
कर लेते, एक टेक वाले ज्यादा है टेक से।
हाँ क्या, लेकिन मैं डर गया शिशु को देख के।
अरे मैं खुद पहचान नहीं पा रहा था यार, 1.5 महीने पहले मेरे साथ भाग रहा था।
हाँ शिशु, तेरा भी एक दिन सेशन ले ले यार। कुछ फायदा होगा। आईएफ का ले ले तू, मतलब कुछ लोग सीख लेंगे।
I went for my first run today. बहुत मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 45 डेज के बाद आज भागने निकला था।
अच्छा, भाग मिका भाग।
हाँ,
भाग मिका भाग।
अरे कहाँ गए था? रनिंग के लिए कहाँ गया था?
6, 7, 8, 9। प्रियंका आज बीच में भागने का नहीं।
कपिल की एनर्जी बढ़ गई है, वो घर जा पाया है।
अरे वाह, What happened to you, Kapil?
Finally, I'm back to my home.
Oh, great man. कहाँ है तेरा घर?
कोंडापुर.
अच्छा,
हैदराबाद.
सुना सा लगता है.
अरे अपना ऑफिस था ना टेक्टोनिक्स का, वहां से पास है उसका.
अच्छा.
जो मतलब नया ऑफिस खुला था, आपको नहीं पता होगा, शेषुवर में जाते थे, 2 लोग बैठते थे वहां पे और वापस आ जाते थे.
हाय तनिष्का.
अरे वीरू का बेटा है क्या ये? फोटो में वीडियो में दिख रहा है वैभव. वीरू का बेटा है क्या? वीरू किधर है? वीरू
दिखा. अरे किधर नहीं.
वीरू और उसके बेटे को साथ में रखो तो आप पहचान नहीं पाएंगे. नको बेटा. वीरू बोल नहीं रहा कुछ.
वीरू आज शांत है. वीरू रुको, मेरे को पुणे आने दो, फिर बताता हूँ तुमको.
कपिल, you did great job यार. वीरू transformed like anything. He lost 10 kgs in last month.
10 kgs.
कौन?
वीरेंद्र पवार. अभिमन्यु पवार के पापा.
अच्छा, वीरू. ओके.
हाँ, 10 kg. See his face.
अभी क्या है ना कपिल, उसका बेटा जो अभिमन्यु है ना, वो अभी उल्टा हो रहा है. ये बेटा लग रहा है वो.
अरे आज क्विट कर देगा वीरेंद्र. ने तो एक्सरसाइज ही नहीं करेगा, बहुत ज्यादा पतला हो गया करके.
नहीं, वो 5 किलो बढ़ाएगा कल.
अरे लीना,
हमारे इधर लॉकडाउन बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है.
कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा है.
कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा है उसका. मतलब है
हमारे इधर तो ऑनलाइन शुरू हो गया भाई. अभी घर पहुंच.
इधर कुछ नहीं, ऑफलाइन ड्रीम भी नहीं लेने सब देखना.
So should we mute now?
No.
Start.
one all here. Sulagna finally joined. Alright. So guys, today's workout timing's gonna be 35 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest. Okay? 35 on, 20 off. So 3 sets of 3 different circuits. Okay, 3 exercises, 3 different circuits, and 2 laps. So ठीक है, 2 sets करेंगे, 2 lap. I'll guide you through that. Okay, and then once you're done, you get a hydration break for 1 minute, and then again next spot, 1 minute hydration break, and then next spot. ठीक है? So
चल, let me start. Mute करो दी. उठना बेटी.
Yeah. So guys, first workout, okay, it's gonna be in a mid squat position, apparently like this, and then reverse lunge. Alright, but if you have knee pain, you can just perform reverse lunge, and then on squat, come back, lunge. But rest of the folks, you gotta be in this mid squat position and then reverse lunge, like this. Okay, this is first workout. And the second workout is Spider-Man push-up. Alright, so you go down and then drive this knee close towards your elbow, and then up, like this. But let's say if this is challenging, perform a push-up, come back up, and then do this. Push-up, come back up, and then perform this. Okay? The third variation is in a 4-point hold position, limb extensions. Up and then down. Up and down. Okay? Good. Chalo, we'll start with warm-up, guys. So, we're starting warm-up, guys. 3, 2, 1. High knees and punches. Drag your knee up towards the chest. Nice, good. That's it. All right, change. Star jumps. All right, change. Shuffle and abduct. 4 shuffles. Abduct. All right, change. Wanting canvas. And change. Side to side lumbar twist. And change. Hip thrusters. All right, up. Groin and hammy stretch. Elbows inside the knees. Nice. That's it. And we're starting in 20 seconds. Okay? Remember the first workout? Avik.
Yeah, I'm keeping a count.
मैंने रख दिया.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, first one, it's in a squat position, reverse lunge. Okay? Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Nice and up. That's it.
It's 35-20, right?
35-20, yeah. Nice, good. That's it. Perfect. Sulagna, come on, go. You can do it. Ah, that's it, Sulagna. Nice, Sahiti. Sumesh, good. Pallavi, you need to turn on your screen. That's it, Abhishek. Good going, mate. Nice.
On a count of 4, 3, 2, 1, break.
Chirishri, you gotta be in a mid squat position. Alright, throughout the workout, you gotta be in this position and then reverse lunge. Like this.
Okay.
Starting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, ready. Second set. Come on, go.
We're not being up, na?
Nice, Priyanka. That's it. Good one. Come on, Niloy. Nice, Sahiti. Good going. That's it, Sulagna. Good. Nice, Pallavi. Good, Sumesh. Nice, good. That's it, Vaibhav. Come on, Pratap. Yeah, perfect. 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Guys, now it's Spider-Man push-up. Okay? Push-up and then drive your knee all the way in. If it is challenging, 1 push-up and then drive your knees. Right, still challenging, knees on the ground, come up and then do this. Knees on the ground, push up, come up and then do this. Start. Pratap, quick.
One minute. Na?
Nice, that's it. Good. Yep.
Kapil, I'm doing it with my knees grounded. So how
Yeah,
should
yeah.
I?
Yeah.
How should I do it then?
See, knees on the ground, push up, come,
Yeah.
keep it up and then drive it.
Okay.
Nice, good, that's it. Yep. Nice,
On a count of 4, 3, 2, 1, break. Pallavi, break.
Yeah, but I was not doing it.
Alright,
On
go.
count of 2, 1, go.
Nice, that's it. Poonam, knees on the ground. Yeah, that's it. Good. Perfect. Nice, good going, guys. That's it. Good going. Nice, Sulagna. Excellent. Good, Shri. Nice, good. And break. Guys, see this? Now the next workout is 4.4 limb extension. And then lift it, lift it all the way up and then get back. Squeeze your glutes really nice and hard when you're getting up and then back. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Nice, Poonam. That's it, Virendra. Virendra, opposite hand, opposite leg. Nice, Vaibhav. That's it, Smita. Good going, Sumesh. Nice, Pallavi. Perfect, Saiti. Nice, Priyanka. Abhishek. Yep, good. Nice, Pratap.
On a count of 3, 2, 1, break.
एक और सेट है इधर Pratap, you can rest your knees on the ground. That's okay. I mean, you don't have to lift it up. You can rest your knees on the ground. Start, go. Come on, Virendra and Poonam. Nice, Vaibhav, good. That's it, Chirashri. Sulagna, good going. Priyanka, nice. Abhishek, left hand, right leg. Right hand, left leg. Yeah. Lina, perfect. Come on, Pallavi.
Good, good, Pratap, good. On count of 3, 2, 1, break.
Guys, now get back to, now again, squat and then reverse lunge. Squat and then reverse lunge. Okay? Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Perfect, Sulagna. That's it. Nice. Good going, Lina. Nice, Nili. Yeah. That's it, Pratap. Ah, nice, Niloy.
Niloy, back straight. Look up. Yeah. Same, Devashmita, back straight.
Perfect, Singh, guys. Nice, Virendra.
On a count of 3, 2, 1, break.
Priyanka. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Second set, guys. Keep going. Nice, Vaibhav. That's it, Virendra and Poonam. Good.
Good, Nilay. Good tempo today. Good tempo. Good, Nivi. Virendra, Poonam doing good.
Perfect. Very Shirashri. Yep, good. Nice, Shirashri.
Pratap, go down more. Lunge properly. Yeah.
Ah, nice. That's it. Just
On a count of 3, 2, 1, break.
Alright, guys. एक ही सेट हुआ ना? 2 सेट हो गए. 2 हो गए.
One more.
No, हो गए ना?
2 done.
लीना 2 हो गए ना? हाँ. Alright, guys. Next one. Push-ups. Nice, dragging it all the way close towards your elbow. Perfect. That's it. That's it. Nice. Come on, Pallavi. Nice, good.
Good going, Nilay. Good, Sulagna. Good. Good,
Come on,
Pallavi.
Lina.
Good, Lina.
Perfect, guys. Good going. Wow. That's it, Abhishek.
Abhishek, good going. On a count of 3, 2, 1, break.
Pallavi?
Yeah.
So don't flare it out like this.
Yeah.
Not getting it. Alright. Keep them close to the body and then let your body rest on the floor. That's completely fine. Start. Nice, good. Nice, Smita. Vaibhav, good. Come on, Pallavi. Sulekha. Yep, that's it. Perfect. Nivi. Yep. Come on, Seishu. Knees on the ground and push up. Full push up. Knees on the ground.
On a count of 3, 2, 1, break.
Guys, 2 sets done. Now, it's limb extension, guys. Left leg, right hand. So this. 3, 2, 1, start. Nice, good. That's it, Priyanka, good. Nice, Pallavi. Sulekha, excellent. Shirishri, good. Nivi, all the way up, squeeze. Nice, Sahiti. Seishu, good. Come on, Poonam. Smita, good. Pratap, 10 kilo. That's it, Abhishek. Perfect. Nice.
On a count of 3, 2, 1, break.
Three, 2, 1, go. Nice. That's it, Priyanka. Abhishek. अभिषेक थोड़ा ज्यादा पुश मत करो. You take it आराम से आज. ठीक है? Nice, Abhimanyu. Four, 3, Poonam, and
break.
Guys, पानी पी लो, चाय पी लो.
One minute, right?
Yeah, bro. 40 more seconds.
Okay. Guys, hydrate well, drink some water.
Guys, starting in 10 seconds. Oh, I'm really sorry. I'll pause it. Okay. So the first workout, bro, pause kiya maine timer. Okay, guys, just look at this. The next one is squat pulses. Okay. Squat pulses. Again, I'm gonna push my hip back. Alright, making sure my knees aren't crossing my toes. And then at this point, I go all the way up somewhere 15-degree angle like this. Up and then down. Up and down. Up and down. Throughout 35 seconds, I'm not gonna come up. ठीक है? वरना कल की टास्क में पनिशमेंट हो जाएगा. ठीक है? And the next one is, you know this, inchworm. ठीक है? So you perform inchworm, you come back up in a high plank position, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then get back. This is one rep. Again, all the way, come up, and then get back. This is inchworm and pulses. And the last one is, it's a combo one. Superman complex. Upper body first, lower body, and then all the way up. Okay, these are the 3 workouts starting in 5 seconds. First one, pulses. 3, 2, 1, go. Quad pulses, deep down. Nice, good. Perfect, Priyanka. Sulugna, good. Nice, Smita, excellent, good one. Perfect, Priyanka, good. Nice, Nivi. Come on, Vaibhav. Excellent, Vaibhav, good form. Sulugna, you can do it.
Vaibhav, don't come up. Just pulsate after you go down. वहीं पे आप pulsating कीजिए. Yeah, go down. Now pulsate. बस. Yeah, that's it.
And break.
Correct, Vaibhav. Correct. Break.
Guys, starting in 5, 3, 2, go. निलॉय हिप को और थोड़ा पीछे लेके जाओ ना या हिप हाँ नाइस गुड एक्सीलेंट दैट्स इट परफेक्ट as if you're sitting on a chair that's it nice Pratap go a little more down Priyanka nice good Shirishri
On a count of 3, 2, 1, break.
Guys, now inchworm. Say this. When I'm coming in a high plank position, I'm not dropping my hips. My hips should be nice and up. 2, 3, 4, and then walk your hands back. Okay? Starting in 3, 2, 1. Go. Nice, good, perfect. That's it, Abhimanyu. Nice, Leena. Good, Sahiti. Nice, Pallavi. Smita, good. Where is Nivi? Nice, Shirishri. Nice, Vaibhav. That's it.
Sumesh, come on, Sumesh. Faster.
Abhimanyu.
On a count. Okay.
Bro, ये ऐप डाउनलोड किया मैंने कुछ इंटरवल टाइमर करके.
Okay. I'm using the normal stopwatch.
हाँ. 3, 2, 1, go. Second set. Abhimanyu, चलो. Nice, Smita. That's it. Sumesh.
Come on, Pallavi, come on, Vaibhav. Good, Pratap, good.
Nice. Come on, Sumesh.
Where's Seshu? I can't see.
Do it. 3, 2, 1, break. Now with Superman complex. Alright, first I'm gonna lift my upper body up. Now my lower body. Okay, knees should also come off the ground, guys. You need to feel a lot of squeeze in your glutes. And then all the way, both up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Nice. That's it, Sridhar. Good one.
Good, Nivi, good. Good, Chirashri.
That's it, Virendra. Nice, Leena. Saiti.
Pratap, good. Slowly, Pratap. Don't pulsate. Aram se karo. Engage your core, guys. Engage your core while you're going up.
Come on, Vaibhav. And break. Five, 4, 2, 1, go. Nice, perfect, good, excellent, guys. Good going. Nice, Sulagna. Nice, Lina. Good. Sahiti. Yep. That's it, Vaibhav. There's Pratap, Priyanka. 3, 2, 1, break. Guys, फिर से first one, squat pulses. So one up. 3. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. 3, 2, 1, start. Squat pulses, guys. Down, come on, Pratap. Priyanka, quick. Nice, Sahiti, good form. Lina, little more, up and down. Nice, perfect, that's it. Nice, Poonam. Virendra, excellent, good job. Nice, Vaibhav. Good. That's it, Sulagna, good one. Seshu, take your hip a little back. Hey, Sovan, Aja, jaldi.
Vaibhav, you're taking your knees back, okay? You need to be down and keep pulsating your hip up and down, okay?
Great.
Correct. Yeah. And try to keep your back straight. Okay, I'll show you.
हाँ, और ऊपर and so हाँ, you're doing good. Come on, start. Start. Nice, Lina. Excellent. Good form. That's it, Saiti. Vaibhav, good. So one. Sridhar. Yeah. हिलाई और हिप को पीछे लेके जाना. हाँ, perfect. Good. Priyanka.
Good form, Nivi. Good form, Lina Di. Good, Saiti. Pratap, karo. Good, Abhishek. Devashmita, good.
Great. Guys, now inchworm and 4 shoulder taps. So, inchworm, 4 shoulder taps. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Nice, good. Try not to move your hip. Nivi, don't move your hip, Nivi. Excellent, Lina. Nice, Priyanka. Smita, good going. Abhishek, good. Come on, Pratap. That's it, Vaibhav, good. Pallavi, good going. Chirasri, nice.
On a count of 3, 2, 1, stop.
Guys, starting in 4, 3, 2, Superman complex. Come on. Vaibhav. Nice, good, Chirasri. That's it, Pallavi. Sulagna. Workout change, Sulagna. She can't hear. Superman complex.
Not inchworm. This is Superman complex. Change the workout, Sulagna. Just watch on the screen.
I'm not doing this one.
Inchworm only one done. That's why we're doing the second.
There you go.
Okay, guys, break.
Lina, you're on mute.
Lina, you're on mute.
I'm not doing that one.
Inchworm, we did only.
You're doing this right.
Okay, so everyone is confusing.
Inchworm was only one round, couple. We just did.
Okay, my bad. I'm really sorry.
Just a moment. We'll complete this.
Yes. Who did inchworm? Okay. They came to the Superman complex, and who did Superman complex for the second set? ठीक है? Really sorry. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, whoever did Superman complex can do Inchworm now. Ah, nice, Lina. That's it. Good. Nice, Sulagna. Good. Eloy. That's it, guys. Good job. And
Oh, once done.
guys, now it's again. I mean, you guys know you're following. Now again, Superman complex up and then. ठीक है? Starting in start. Lina, one more set, no? Eloy.
I'm not doing this one.
That's okay. That's fine.
Priyanka, you there, no? Good going, Pallavi. Nice addition.
Seshu, good form. Sulagna, good.
And break, guys. So, hydration break. Meanwhile, just look at the screen, guys. Okay? Now, the first workout is windscreen wipers, which means I'm gonna be on the floor, up, and then this. But let's say if this is too challenging for you, you can do this. Okay? Upper core should always be engaged. This is first one.
It stopped. I couldn't see. Can you repeat one time? It stopped.
Windscreen wipers. Right. Now the second workout is plank alternate leg reach. Alright. And the last one is prisoner squats. These are the 3 workouts. Okay? Starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
What was the last exercise?
Prisoner squats.
hear.
Prisoner squats. Prisoner squats.
नहीं लास्ट वाला बताएंगे सुलग्ना स्टार्ट विद दिस एनीवेज ब्रेक है ना गुड जॉब नाइस परफेक्ट Srishri you there nice Abhishek nice Niloy निलय थोड़ा ज्यादा स्ट्रेस मत करना इस वर्कआउट पे नाइस स्मिता एंड ब्रेक ब्रेक नहीं सेकंड सेट है 3, 2, 1, go. Nice, Saiti, good. Vaibhav, good. Abhishek, good, nice. Ah, I can see you, Priyanka, yep. Nice, Nivi, excellent.
Pallavi, good form, good Saiti.
Nice, Nivi, nice, Smita.
Seshu, engage your core. Stretch your legs, don't bend your knees too much. Good, Pratap, good.
Break. Guys, now it's plank. Okay? Plank, alternate reach. Start. Come on, Poonam, Virendra, quick. Nice, good. That's it, Seshu, good. Quick, Seshu. Lena, in a plan. Okay. Sulagna, come on, you can do it. 10 more seconds, Sulagna. Nice, Sarashri, Abhishek, good. Vaibhav. Nice, Pallavi. Sumesh. Break. Two, one, go. Nice.
Lina, you have to move your leg as well. Alternate hand and leg, opposite leg and hand to the side. Yeah, that's it.
Come on, Abhimanyu. Virendra also. Smita. 5 more seconds, Smita. Come on. Vaibhav. And break. 2 sets done, right? Bro?
2.
Prisoner squats. Guys, starting in 10 seconds, prisoner squats. Sulagna, now this is the workout. 3, 2.
Squats are hurting very badly.
Sorry, kya hua?
What happened?
I don't know. Someone asked something.
No, Sulagna didn't mention.
Demo? Demo.
Watch.
Did you hear demo?
See. Pushing your hip back, normal squat. You go deep down and then come up and squeeze the glutes.
Acha.
Sulagna, back straight. Keep your back straight. Okay. You're rounding your back, yeah.
Guys, just look at the screen. So there might be a tendency wherein you're doing this and you're feeling that you're doing a squat. Okay, but make sure you're dropping that hip down. Okay, chest nice and up, lower back not rounded. Start. Go on, go. Thrust your hip out and squeeze the glutes. Nice. Perfect. Nice, Vaibhav. Excellent. Now, great form. That's it, Sulagna. Abhishek, good. Perfect. And break. Or 2 sets done, no? Yes. Now again back to windscreen wipers. Start.
Prisoner squats only 1 done.
Only 1 done?
Yeah.
2 done, no?
No, prisoner squats only 1 set.
Yeah.
No, I think 2 were done.
No, one's done.
1.
कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं 2 done.
2 done.
I remember doing it twice.
हाँ.
I was in break. We did it twice already. Yep.
Guys, किसी ने नहीं किया तो एक बार कर लेना. Oh shit. कौन किसने नहीं किया? Bro, who did do it?
We did twice. I think there were some folks who missed it and they did only once because in between there was some confusion.
Break in between. People might not have heard the break.
Okay.
They might have missed the break actually.
Guys, just hold on a second. We'll start.
If you have missed it, if you have missed your prisoner squats, do it once again.
Pallavi, you done? Oh, nice.
Let's wait for the others to finish and then we'll
Guys,
start.
just relax. We're gonna start the next windscreen wipers lap. Wait, just relax. All right, now starting in 3 windscreen wipers. Okay, windscreen wipers is something. So one is that one. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Too challenging, you can bend your knees. Very good. That's Priyanka. Nice, Vaibhav. Okay, excellent form. Nivi, increase the tempo. Faster, Nivi. Lina, you faster. Nice. Nice, Sulagna. Abhimanyu. Come on, Seshu. And break. One set done. One more set. Four, 3, 2, 1, go. Virendra, what happened? Go, go, go. Nice, Vaibhav.
Pallavi, try not to touch the ground. Try not to touch the ground. Keep your core engaged. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, and break. Guys, now plank diagonal reach. Change of workout, plank diagonal reach. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. That's it. Nice, good. Nice, Pallavi, good. Nice, Shirishri. Nivi? Okay, okay. Nice, Vaibhav. Bhai. Come on, Suvan. Either. Come on, Pallavi. 4 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and break. Guys, one set done. That's one more set. Poonam, Virendra.
Abhishek, don't push yourself too hard, okay?
3, 2, 1, go. Nice, Vaibhav. Priyanka, I hope you're doing. Sulagna. Tahiti. Very Sumesh.
Sumesh is hiding.
Yes, over. And break. Guys, change of workout. Back to prisoner squats. Prisoner squats. Prisoner squats. Starting in 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Shirishri, come down a little more. Nice, good. Sulagna, that's it, Sulagna, perfect. Perfect. Poonam and Virendra, good. Pratap, or thoda. Nice. Excellent form, good form. Nice, Seshu. Seshu, go down a little. Nice, that's it. Nice, Nilay. Nice, Priyanka, good. Vaibhav. Rukna, nice. And break. Three, two, one, go. Sohan, Sridhar. Nivi, faster. Increase the tempo, Nivi. Lina, you too. Increase the tempo. Guys, after this, 3, 2, 1, and then squat hold. Squat hold, squat hold, squat hold. Bas.
Guys, hold your squats, hold your squats.
Squat hold. Who is the last one standing? I mean squatting. ठीक है? Squat hold, squat hold. Nice, Lina. Come on, Abhishek. इतनी जल्दी. Tilakna. Guys, squat hold, maximum squat holds.
Good, Pratap. Good, good, good. Devasmita, continue, continue.
Pratap, hands off. Guys, still standing. Lina, excellent, Lina. Seriously, good, nice. That's it, Nivi. आज तो जीतना ही है. Last one standing. Abhishek. Okay, okay. Sumesh. Yeah. Poonam. Virendra. Lina, excellent, Lina. Thoda squat down. Nice, Nivi and Lina. Seriously, Nivi, Lina. Three fellows. Don't give up, don't give up.
Good form, Chirasri, good form. Nivi, good form. Come on, Lina Di.
Last one standing, guys, between 3. Lina and Nivi. Nice, Nivi, excellent. Good, nice, Chirasri, wow. वैभव क्या कर दिया? अरे प्रताप, वीरेंद्र, साहिती, सुलग्ना, expected so much.
कुछ ज्यादा ही झुक गए थे लग रहा है.
Don't give up, Nivi, don't give up. Chirasri, excellent.
कुछ ज्यादा ही झुक गए थे हम लोग, ऐसा लग रहा है.
नहीं. No, Chirasri, hands off, hands off. Lina, थोड़ा chest up करो. It's not 1 minute. It's last one standing. Like last कौन give up करता है? Guys.
I'm still standing.
Nice, Lina. Good job. But Chirasri and Chirasri won.
Chirasri won.
Arey Nivi.
Girls,
4 minutes, I guess.
this is girls are the winner.
ठीक है. Okay.
I think 4 minutes was the squat hold for between
Chirasri,
Nivi and
good, yeah.
Chirasri, and Lina Di was very close.
So first Chirasri, next Nivi, next Lina.
Thank you.
No.
188 calorie.
That's so less.
256. Is that less?
Very less.
That is less of that calorie.
ठीक है, कल थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाएंगे फिर.
404 calories.
कितना अभिमन्यु?
404.
हाँ, nice.
Mine is only 256, couple. I don't know why.
हाँ. कल next workout.
Morning.
No, this was more on isometric. Okay? So isometric calorie will be less. Okay, this is not a cardio.
I'm just kidding.
Couple,
Yes, on it.
for tomorrow, Manivi. For tomorrow, please include weights.
Tomorrow's task है ना?
हाँ, वही task के लिए बोल रही हूँ.
Task में weights I can't give you
Yes,
because
yes,
I have
we
to
should
monitor
not.
you guys.
Can you give me separate weights?
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay. And guys, after this workout, maybe on when a session we'll add weight. We'll do a weight
And
training.
Kapil, one more request. Can we do something for upper body? Okay. Thank you. Can I leave? I
Yes,
have
yes,
yoga
yes.
class. Okay, till Thursday I'm totally busy. Okay,
It's
chalo,
okay,
bye.
Neela.
Bye. Thank you so
Sure.
much. Abhi, bye.
Yes, sir.
Guys, lie down. We'll start our cool down stretches. Please lie down.
No?
You will take it. Okay. Please lie down.
ये नहीं करेगा
Follow. Hey, cool down करना. हाँ. cool down.
Hello.
हाँ.
Take deep breaths. Take deep breaths, guys. Breathe deeply. Now, in your position, just watch. Put your leg to one side. And stretch your lumbar. Do the lumbar stretch. And hold the stretch at one position. Your right hand catches the left knee. And hold. Try to get it down to the floor. Feel the stretch on your glutes and on your hamstrings partially. Look the other way. Look the other way. Now change your leg. The other side. Left hand and your right knee. And looking the other way. Hold the stretch. Feel the stretch in your glutes. Now come back to the position with both your knees raised. This position. Hold one of your legs. Press it close to your chest, as close as possible. Other leg.
Ow. Bro.
Now grab both your legs, press it close to your chest, and rock to and fro. Rock to and fro. Now from this position, you can get up, come back to a seated posture. Now watch. Put one of your legs on the knees, okay? On the knees over here. And the other leg has to be parallel. Just watch. It should be here. The other leg has to be parallel to the other feet. There should not be like, you should not put it here and the other leg here. Take it close to at the edge of your knee and both of them together. Now from this position, with one of your legs on top of the knee, I'll again show it here. Try to go forward and feel the stretch in your glutes. You have worked on a lot on your glutes today, so feel the stretch on your glutes. Go as down as possible. If your mobility is good, you can actually go ahead and touch the floor. You should feel the stretch. If you are having a left leg raised, you will feel the stretch on your left glutes. Hold the stretch there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now change your legs. Again, put it at the edge of your knee, and the other one also right below your knee. Okay, the other leg. Do not take it inside. Keep it on the edge of the knee and on top. Again, go down. Try to go as low as possible and feel the stretch on your glutes, on your right glutes this time. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from this position, I want you to go down on your hunches. Go down on your hunches. Stretch your back for a cat camel pose. Squeeze your glutes while you are doing this. Come up. Squeeze and come up. It's important for you to hold the stretches and keep breathing. Do not hold your breath at any point of time. From this position, move to Cobra. When you are doing the Cobra, please do not touch your knees on the ground. Make sure your knees are above the ground and you are stretching your back completely. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From this position, move to a downward dog. Move to downward dog. From there, walk back. Walk back. Now while you are standing, we'll stretch our glutes. Pick it up. Stretch your glutes. If you are finding it a little problem to find your balance, first take a deep breath and engage your core, okay? Take a deep breath, engage your core, get your balance right, and then you can hold and squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The other leg. Engage your core. Take a deep breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from this, we'll stretch our hands.
Hello.
Up, down, other hand down, up, your neck, other side, down and up. That's all guys, thank you so much. Kapil, it's all yours. We are done with the stretches guys.
Thanks, Kapil. Thanks, Avik.
Avik, thank you.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Kapil. Thank you, Avik.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Kapil and Avik. Thank you very much. Tushar, family is back.
Tushar, family back? तुषार कुठे अकोला का इथे पुण्यात
Okay.